The new mobile vans are a big step to reducing downtime and increasing availability for our customers' fleet. Ultimately, customers want vehicles on the road. They want them to be compliant and available. So our mobile vans and mobile technicians are key to making that happen. The biggest difference with a mobile van compared to the vehicle being needed to go into an external workshop is the fact that we will come to you. Our mobile vans will come to you. If that vehicle's VOR, the biggest thing that customers are looking for is to get that vehicle back on the road as quick as possible. So for that, they're really looking for flexibility of our mobiles, and we will have our mobiles on customers' premises at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. So we will come to you, we will turn the vehicle around, the repair around quicker, faster, and it means that the customer can then get on their way and do their own business. So in the van we've installed Samsara. That does your basic telematics things like track and trace, but it will also give us maintenance alerts on the vans themselves. We've also got forward-facing cameras. We've got cameras in the back of the vans. In terms of technology for the drivers themselves, they've all got the tablets. And within the tablets, we use a portal within Fraikin called Fraikin View, and that allows us to centrally load capacity into the mobile's workload directly through the portal. We've been looking to try and maximise the skills of the mobile fitter. What we're trying to do is get our mobiles almost being a universal soldier to be able to be trained to go on site for one visit and allow them to do all of them different fridge services, PMI services that are due at the same time. So it's one unavailability for the customer, and that theoretically should maximise the uptime of the vehicle. Our NPS survey in 2024 is actually the best score the company's ever had, and a lot of the individual feedback was specifically about the service our mobiles provide, and a lot of that is down to the professionalism and the diligence and the expertise really that our mobile fitters bring to the business.